Lub, do you know what this is? Lub, go bond energy.
I've never seen it before, Dad. Sto bond
What a thing? It's a Hmong instrument called thing.
Oh, how does it work? It looks hard to play.
Oh, it's not hard at all. It's actually pretty easy.
But there's so much doing with the fingers. Can you tell me more about this instrument?
A thing is a Hmong instrument that's composed of 6 bamboo reeds and holds 8 topper blades inside that vibrate upon inhaling and exhaling. There are also holes on the bamboos where you can place your fingers over to make different sounds. The thing is unique because the music it plays is similar to an extension of our language. Every note symbolizes its own word. A song on the thing is like a speech or poem, and thing players are storytellers.
Wow!
Yes, it's very cool. It is an important part of the Hmong culture.
Why?
The thing can be played during many events, including funerals, ancestral rites, marriages, and lots of other things.
Is that why you and Mom are always going out?
I get invited to play at many events within our community, and your mother accompanies me.
And you learned all of this from the internet? Computer law?
No, your grandpa.
Grandpa? Young?
Yes, before he passed away.
I wish he was still here.
Me too. He was the best. Ntxwg Nyoog.
He was?
Back in Laos, his skills fed his family. He was a thing master.
Grandpa was a master?
Yes. But I actually learned from your Pongza. At the time I wanted to learn how to play the thing, your grandpa left us.
Who's Pongza?
Oh yeah, she changed her name. It's Po Bambai. Oh,
Oh.
She took more interest in the beginning of our thing training.
Can you teach me?
Though, the thing is more than just a family legacy.
It sounds like you are.
Why do you think I asked you in the first place?
I'm ready to learn, Dad.
But you're gonna start with the history of the thing. You know, how it was made.
Yay! Story time!
Can you take me to buy a new phone? My Obama phone keeps dying. I can't call anyone.
Only mine, yeah. Sorry, dude. I'll teach you another time, okay?
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and play your PS4. Bye.
What was that?
Me too.
Oh my god! Dog! Ghost!
Dude, it's okay, good. You that? I'm not a ghost.
How come you can talk?
Vì cô yêu đã.
Not funny.
I am your family's spirit guide, and I live within this place.
But how and why?
Your family comes from a line of thing masters. Your grandpa was one, now your dad, and one day, you're destined to be one too.
Wait, so you know my grandpa?
He was the best.
Of course. Tell me something I don't know.
I've been with him since the beginning of his time. We were like siblings. And now I'm on this journey with your father.
Wow, you know so much about my history. My dad was going to tell me how the thing was created, but he had to take my grandma to buy a new phone.
Wow, but who's still alive?
Actually, no.
I'll be happy to tell you how I came to be. Yourself, the Almighty One lives in the clouds with His Son. Thâu cho đông cho hà, phu sầu còn tư, your sống đơn tê tu tê kỳ nhóc.
我这内心有时候让我受一惊恼，古鲁别湖里有烧，一杯那内容经都照领头，乐但他生照hình，天我自己照领头就不叫你。Hello everyone, thank you for joining us in the high heavens. I want to introduce you to the powerful six. My name is Yoshao, and these are my sons.
My name is Txoj. Who you to lo? Who can't hear? Can't take? Can't live? Who you to go? Can't live? Can't go? Who you be yo? Txoj. Theo một số năm này, cũng đều lý và hồ tại sao? Đó là những mẫu của hồ sao tạo. My name is Rab Qeej Lub, but you can call me Sub. I rule the skies and command the weather to harmonize in its beauty. With crashing thunder, I create powerful storms. With white lightning, I create wildfires.
We are going to go day, how did they? Now how Zag day, Zag Chai. We are sure to love. Lub Hwj Chim. I live in the Earth's ocean, where other creatures dwell by my side. We live in harmony, guarding the border between land and sea. My name is Qeej Lub.
Cô yo tu uông 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 chua, cho xia cho ba cho hẹn tiết đấy, cô uông Txoj. It creates and controls the wind and air that sweeps over the land and water, giving life to earth, and raising the big and block and Txoj.
Cô yo tu tổ kỷ niệm kỷ dài, giờ tu công ba tông mò, ba tông kinh, cô hô ở suy đi. I am the youngest son, and I have the power to conjure magic to aid rituals of healing and protection. My name is Qeej. Cô yo tu cho mò trong kinh, tuần tra cho các lo kể tua, kể phô kể nhẹ, cô mình e cô mô đời, Nyoog Nkauj Zag. I govern the darkness in life and cage their recklessness. I am responsible for containing the sin and all the evil in life.
One day, Ntxwg Nyoog decided to visit Earth by himself. He appeared on a quiet path in human clothes. Ntxwg Nyoog continued his journey down the dirt road, admiring the beauty of the green mountains down from below. But then, out of nowhere, he heard a cry for help. Mo inu Ntxwg Nyoog Nkauj Zag tiết tế, nên há ít tròn trò, xử lý cho nên, hồn nhó hồn tiết tế nà. Nên tao ít cho kế, một bỏ mong tê liệt tê tế, nên khô cho dạ nên bỏ. Chê ôi dạ, nói yêu số quá.
Nè, đi một chiều tê của mình khá lo.
Nên là nó chê, tôi một ông tê rồi đó.
Ý mình thuê của nó lo.
Go ra. Go ra.
Nyoog is a mischievous deity that does whatever he pleases. He preys on humans and lures their souls with his long tongue to trap and kill. Lý nhông giờ ít tôi đã ở sau bố thế vì hiện hình. Nếu mà ít tôi lại từ đấy, ông nên nhẹ mà sự thọ tín hình tính chút đi.
Mom, Dad, Nia, Dee, help me, lấy cái bác của. Lấy cái lùa. Who's that?
Yo cũng đã.
Cho cũng lùa. Let me go. Cho cao. Cho kê. Ya, nhìn nó nhìn.
There's no one here to save. The God of judgment, Ntxwg Nyoog
Please have mercy on me. Spare my life.
Mono Hwj Dashi Hwj Txoj. Today, I won't end your life, but I will end your behavior.
My tongue.
You will no longer call to the souls of innocent. If I catch you doing another mischievous act, you will face death. Limon. Are you hurt?
Cứ chưa trả lời này mỏi. Ôi sao có tờ ba cụ. Thanks for helping me.
Jolita, no problem.
Hey, the new. Come be with ya. If you don't mind me asking, what's your name?
My name is Ntxwg Nyoog Nkauj.
Daniel, các cậu của Lub Hwj. Will you walk me home? I'm scared to be alone.
Okay, sure.
Cô chả, cứ bộ ơi nhà là em. Nhà có một đéo luôn. Why did it take you forever to get home? Will we see each other again? Grupo yo poco do.
I'm not sure. I think we'll see each other again soon.
Tụi tôi đợi linh tinh à?
Wow, go shop! Tingnan tayo ulit na. Girl, who is that handsome man?
Dạy, mình đây rất thích ta. Okay, Mom, I'll leave you. Yeah, he saved me from some evil spirit. Don't tell my mother though. Nyoog cái bác của đời Lý Nhung.
Shut up! Có hạt ta lo?
I'm not lying. Put you down.
Shut up! Có hạt ta lo?
I was finishing up in the garden, and then suddenly I was under the spirit spell, and that's when Nhung saved me. Cô này là lo chế ông tê cứu, chế thần đời, đã chế mong.
Is that his name? It's kind of ugly. Tại vì mình muốn lên không? Dạ, thành niên đúng không lên?
Bác tử một chế sống tư tổ.
What? Gotcha.
I think I'm in love. Cô này nữ hình.
Girl, you just met him. Cô là con chim nè. Cô có con lúc chim nè.
It was love at first sight.
Do you know where he's from? You told me to talk.
We'll see each other again.
Girl!
has the head chores in order to spend more time with her. Ntxwg Nyoog falls deeper in love every moment he spends in Nkauj. Txoj knew Ntxwg Nyoog the lost in Nkauj. Yeah, planning on a day. Ntxwg Nyoog, when did you arrive?
Kuna foto Txoj the Lub Hwj Chim.
My family shares a plot of land to farm and grow food. I'm packing food for them.
Why? That's so much work for you. Got the one thing or dad got the one to.
If I don't, then who will? We go every day, and some days we don't eat until after sunfall.
Wow, being a human sounds so difficult.
What?
Oh, I was just saying I like your smile. Go out there when you talk about when she's off.
Are you just gonna stare at me?
Go Zag.
Yes?
You have such a kind heart. Go Zag, Qeej Lub.
Yeah?
I've known ever since the day I met you.
Let's hurry. If they start, I will no longer be that kind person.
Okay.
Nè, cô yêu muốn tịch khơi các bên của bác chiều. Chị nghe chưa? Đã cho mình cho nó trẻ.
While Nkauj was on her way to the market, she caught the attention of the local guys.
Where you going?
Nkauj, where you from? What are you all? I'm not sure about the way. And that's what you have a lover.
I'm sorry to target someone else. Tazia Janu. Good to point to Lula.
Of course. A lady like you is bound to have a lover already.
But where is this lover of yours? I don't know what to do.
Good question. That's none of your business.
My master said, we didn't need to come out from your name away.
Yeah, yo, look. What we meant to say was,
I really like you. I want a wife. I'm real sad.
That was cute. Well, seriously, I'm sort of taken.
Okay, plan B.
Plan B?
Ntxwg Nyoog comes back to Earth to be with his one and only love, Nkauj. But unfortunately finds out the bad news. He runs to the garden where they always spend together in hopes that he will find her there.
Nkauj. Nkauj people, they know. Did Nkauj come to the garden today?
She has already married another man.
Don't say such a lie.
A group of men took her and forced her into marriage about a week ago.
As unfortunate as the news is to Ntxwg Nyoog, he cannot do anything. It is among the most forbidden law that the immortals cannot intervene with the affairs of the immortal world.
I thought humans were pure.
Son, I made mortals to live on earth, to experience life and to learn from their mistakes. Mortals have the decision to do good or do harm. Whichever they decide chooses their fate that comes. Remember that as a God we show mercy and we give forgiveness to those that deserve it, and even to those that do not.
If humans are this evil, I wonder what's really in this gourd.
Imagine anything worse than what you believe humans can do. But do not dwell on this. And remember that your job is to protect this gourd.
I will never visit Earth again.
If that is what you want, then stay here until you are summoned back to your duties.
Ntxwg Nyoog decides to stay in heaven. Back on Earth, the evil husband is roaming through the village with them. They speak foolishly about how fragile and powerless the gods are and how mighty and dominant humans can be.
The gods are weak and pathetic. We can do whatever we want.
Yola, you're correct, Master. But we don't have the power like the god. They have powers. Why can humans do anything they want?
It's getting late. We should make dinner.
You are the wife. You are supposed to take care of those things. Do not bother me again when I'm talking to my people. I am the boss.
You are nothing compared to the gods.
What? What did you say to me?
Seafood, are you really going to let her talk to you like that?
She did not talk to you like that.
That is my wife. I will deal with her. She's upset.
Gosha was right to stand up for dignity and self-control, but her evil husband would not tolerate her. She did not imagine the damage that her words would lead.
Gosha, how dare you disrespect me in front of my people?
Gutsy, ever since you married me, it's been nothing but lectures. Lub Hwj Chim.
This is the last time you will talk to me that way.
Jakumu, you're hurting me.
Gosha.
Hwj, are you ready? Let's go out. Oh my god! What have you done? Go and catch me around. I'm telling.
You will never find her body!
Huh? God, what did you say? Ntxwg, go down to Earth and find this girl's lost soul. Ntxwg, people on the day, what is her name? Lub Hwj. Wally, come on, move. Alright, I'll go check it out right now.
Dunyo's heart ached with pain and pounded with anger. His father's testimonies could no longer guide Dunyo in making the right decision. Dunyo left to the human world to find the evil husband.
Gosha! Gosha! Gosha!
Who are you?
Today, I came to ask you a life and death question. When you answer, will decide your fate. Did you kill Gosha?
She deserved it.
As thunder starts to rumble, the storm begins to worsen as Ntxwg's heart darkens. Without thinking, Ntxwg commits the most evil act any god can do, taking the life of a human.
để tế sẽ đúng hết chỉ muốn ra chỉ nhau một lúc đông nó chỉ phèn bộ cho nên nhau không tế tế. This court is supposed to contain all evil, but the people on earth are really so evil. What's really in this court?
Txoj appears back on Earth after his death tells him of the devastating news. As he walks through the vacant towns, lifeless bodies lay on the ground. As a god who provides for humans and brings back their souls to live once again, he rises his death. But once revived, these bodies were nothing more than soulless bodies. Txoj Nyoog Nkauj được bỏ tiếng niệm thô tạt từ vì hiệu từ chữ thế tế thế này nữ sĩ nữ từ bà ra nhân của tàu ta sinh mệnh.
Ủa trả số bên đó. Oh my God, this doesn't look right.
Father, my staff no longer works. See?
This is not a good thing. Ntxwg Nyoog Nkauj.
Yes, Father? That's your answer.
Son, I am disappointed.
Humans are naturally evil. What difference does it make now that the court is crushed?
Break your staff into 6 pieces and plant them into the ground. Txoj. Đã các tụ bảo của tòa nhà thiếu một cái hậu hạ. Ntxwg Nyoog, go with Txoj right now and bring back evil. Nên on hệ cho bao một tên đến tả sĩ nó.
Nyoog, you take this side, I'll take the other side. Nyoog, 그것도 sama 부모디나.
As Nyoog tries to get as the sound's daughter-in-law, the first shaman possessed the abilities of healing and protection from all demonic entities and spirits. Khi từ bóc kính niệm ký dày hết rơi cũng từ bát tàu mò bát thông tin từ từ kia sống tuyệt.
They are undefeatable. We don't have time to talk. Father wants you back. I will handle this.
After she defeats the demons, he returns to the heavens to follow his situation. She wants to that for that, in the house of God. Come to show, Txoj
Nyoog, you must take responsibility for your actions. Since you can no longer cage people, you must be one with people and maintain them for life. Ntxwg Nyoog, vì có tôi kế thọ, có dụ cho là
I will take responsibility for my actions. I will create an underworld to contain as much evil as I can. See,
Alright. Now, where is the gourd you destroyed? Lub
Here, Father, then all.
Txoj, go break the bamboo that grew from your staff. Put the bamboo and gourd together. I am going to create a tool that will help the humans. Children, I summon you all.
Father, with all due respect, how is this instrument going to help the humans?
Son, this instrument will guide the lost souls back up to heaven to reincarnate. But the thing needs more power. You all must search deep in your souls and bestow gift into this instrument.
I will be the first to bestow a gift. Who might have the more day?
I bestow the gifts of lightning and thunder, to spark a new life for the humans, and to have a voice as powerful as thunder.
I bestow the gift of water to represent all fluid, blood, and oil, to replenish the new body of the lost souls. I
will bestow the gift of air for the humans to be able to breathe and begin their new life.
It is now complete.
I am the guardian of humankind. Let me.
Wait, teacher, please, let me do it. I want to play a song for someone. Teacher,
And Nyoog plays the thing, the spirit of the dead of Nyoog in the performance. Each step he takes, each note he plays, guided by this instrument soul. Continuous waves flame the thing, walking. Suddenly, a white dragon white bears and runners and starts following the sound. Nyoog觉得更有说人的瞬间，也可以对上的。
Goja, is that you? Goja.
Nyoog, yes. How did I get out there?
It was me. Well, it was this instrument. It helps lost souls to reincarnate. Goja,
Reincarnate?
Yes, you're the very first soul to be reborn again.
So, what happens now?
Goja, you are now a dragon, a powerful being that has its own world.
But I never got to recognize with you on Earth, and already I'm belong to a new world. Nếu tôi chỉ có sẽ thương đấy, cứ tôi yêu tao chạy có một lần.
I know, and that kills me. I love you more than I could ever imagine. I wanted to love you more, but now our fate has come to this, and I have to face the consequences of my actions. Câu ra, cũng lúc có chắc học cùng chơi. Ta chỉ tìm một trong mong, để hú tỏ bài nhau đã tiêu. What am I going to do without you? I already lost you twice.
Please don't cry. Even when our worlds apart, our love will never die. Chính là một giấc mộng, giữ nhau treo kia lòng, lưu chia nhau kia.
Wow, I was not expecting that at all.
It's alright, not everyone knows. But now that you do, you understand that your family and you have the knowledge and skills of what it takes to be a game master.
Yes, I am so ready now, more than I was before.
And I will be glad to be around you. Cứ trong chuyện thì sắp tới cái việc tàu ở cái tổ kênh của người ta đánh cậu.
Dude, I'm home. Are you ready to hear the story about the thing? Dude, 找不到三个错，就让你能打电话。